dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at your place. So, I'm Tanvi Miss from Twinkling Kids Preschool and today I'm going to show you action words. So, are you all excited? Yes. So, let's start. So, our first action word is sneezing. Yes. Our first action is sneezing. Children, you need to cover your mouth when you are sneezing. You have to cover with a handkerchief. Yes. So, this is sneezing. Which action word is this? Sneezing. Okay. Now, next one. Our second action word is yawning. Yes. This is yawning. Yawning is an involuntary action which we all do. And we all know that is a feature of sleeping. Whenever we sleep, we started yawning. So children, always cover your mouth whenever you feel yawning. So, which action word is this? This is yawning. Okay, now next one. Next action word is coughing. Yes. Which action word is this? This is coughing. Yes. So, you have to keep your hands like this whenever you feel coughing. Yes, so this is coughing. Okay, now next one. So children, can you tell me what is this girl doing in the picture? What she is doing? Yes, she is drawing a circle. What is she doing? She is doing drawing. Yes. So, it is a drawing action word. Yes, this is a drawing action word. Very good, children. Now, next one. So, now we will do a quick recap of action words. So children, can you tell me which action word is this? Come on children, tell me. Yes, this is sneezing action word. Yes, this is sneezing action word. Very good. Now children, tell me which action word is this? Yes, this is coughing. Very good. Children, tell me which action word is this? This is drawing. Yes, this is drawing. Very good. Now tell me which action word is this? Yes, this is yawning. Very good. This is yawning action word. Very good children. Which action word is this? Yes, this is sneezing. So children, here I am going to show you one rhyme on coughing and sneezing.
Cough, cough, sneezy, sneezy, itchy, scratchy, I say pleasy, you need to cover your mouth.
You need to cover your mouth when you cough, when you sneeze. I'm asking please, you need to cover your mouth when you sneeze. Oh, I'm asking please. When you feel that itchy throat, put some tissue in your coat. If you don't, then use your sleeve. Don't spread your germs when you sneeze. You need to cover
Cover your mouth when you cough, When you sneeze, I'm asking please.
You need to
Cover your mouth. When you sneeze, I'm asking please.
Now you've got a runny nose. Be careful what you touch and hold. Always cough into your arm. Spreading germs, it causes harm. You need to
Cover your mouth. When you cough, when you sneeze, I'm asking please. You need to cover your mouth. When you sneeze, no, I'm asking please.
Cough, cough, sneezy, sneezy, itchy.